Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Herman and my team Dion Ahmad Armadi. I am from Universitas Pakuan in Bogor, Jawa Barat, West Java, Jawa Barat. My number abstract is 7. For this moment, I will the present my research with the title Professional Empowerment and Organizational Commitment to Improve BUMDESA Competitiveness in the 4.0 Industry Era. BUMDESA is a village business established by the village government in which capital ownership and management are carried out by the village government and the community. BUMDESA has complicated problems. The main problem is low competitiveness in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. The low competitiveness is due to the lack of professionalism of human research in the management of BUMDESA in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. The low level of provisionalism is due to the lack of organizational commitment in BUMDESA. Professionalism in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 is related to increasing competitiveness in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. The previous research conducted by researchers shows that there is a positive relationship between organizational commitment and employer and professionalism. This study has the aim of number one, measuring the effect of employer professionalism on the competitiveness of BUMDESA in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0. Number two, measuring the effect of employer organizational commitment on the competitiveness of BUMDESA in a Bogor Regency. And number three, measuring the influence of provisionalism and employer commitment to the competitiveness of village enterprises or BUMDESA. The research methods. This type of research is a verification research with an explanatory survey method, which explains the effect of independent variable on the dependent variable. The data analysis technique is structural equation modeling, which is based on the evaluation of the interdependence relationship between variable with the first order confirmatory analysis technique. The number of samples taken in this study was determined using the Slovene formula, so that the researchers gave the same rights to each subject to have the opportunity to be selected as the sample. The number of BUMDESA heads in Bogor Regency will be sampled from a population of 195. The Slovene formula is used with an error margin of 5%, and as follow uh, table, uh, the table show the sample in 131. And the research result, the table above shows the results of the univariate normality test from the questionnaire data. In this study, it is linear where the F value has a significance of more than 0.05. The normality test is carried out using Lisrel 8.7, which show the normality of all indicator univariately because it is so a p-value more than 0.05 at the level of significance 0.05. And this table uh, show the result of research. The number one, commitment has a direct effect on employer professionalism with regression coefficient of 0.8 0.98 and T-con 9.01 more than 1.96. The dimension that reflect commitment is the dimension of affective commitment with a standard loading factor value of 0.69. Number two, commitment has a direct effect on competitiveness with a regression coefficient of 0.53 and T-con 3.46 more than 1.96. The dimension that reflects competitiveness is the dimension of delivery with a standard loading factor value of 0.67. Number three, employee professionalism has a direct effect on competitiveness with a regression coefficient of 0.71 and T-con of 6.55 more than 1.96. The dimension that reflects professionalism is the dimension of efficiency with a standard loading factor value of 0.64. Number four, commitment has an indirect effect of competitiveness through employer professionalism with a regression coefficient of 0.06 and T-con 1.67 more than 1.96. In conclusion, the head of BUMDESA is advised to increase commitment to the organization by increasing affective commitment in the form of feeling of love for the BUMDESA organization that arises a willingness to stay and foster social relationship and respect the value of relationship with BUMDES because they have become part of the BUMDESA organization. The number two, the head of BUMDESA is advised to increase professionalism by applying the efficiency dimension in the form of the ability of the BUMDESA head in carrying out his activities to obtain short-time results by using input, the lowest possible input to produce an output and maximum output, and also increasing the ability to get a job done right. The head of BUMDESA to increase competitiveness by increasing the dimension of delivery in the form of increasing various indicators, including timeline of production, reduction of production waiting time, and timeliness of product delivery. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.